Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So for this video, special shout out to Golf Depot for making this video happen. So if you're looking to customize and personalize your golf balls, and like mine, yeah, the nice shot, you can reach out to Golf Depot in Alabang. So I'll just put their contact details down below so that you can enjoy playing golf now with customized golf balls. So they made this video happen. We're playing a tournament, no? So here in Orchard, it's for the benefit of mga scholars ng UP. So it's this format is going to be System 36. We're playing the white tees. So basically, the goal naman for this round is just to enjoy. So this tournament, we're starting in hole number 2 sa Palmer. So which is a par 5. Yan, par 5. So we're playing the white tees. So I'm assuming this is the 406 yards. So it's dogleg right. Yan, so aim is for that light post. Tapos it turns right. Yan, so again, yan, ganda ng bola ko. Nice shot. So if mapulot nyo to sa Orchard, alam nyo na kung saan galing. So i-announce ko na lang din dito sa video kung majabong to or ma-lost ball and saan area, para if ever makuha nyo, reach out to me. Ayan, so special shout out again Golf Depot for making this video happen. Ayan, so if you're looking for mga golf clubs, putter services, highly recommended. Then for this tournament, playing with friends, yan, si Pops, si Christine Pop, and si Alvin. Then ang aking caddy, si Chris. Ayan, so shout out ka, may shout out ka ba, Chris? Wala, shy ka pa.
Yung mga 500 plus lang dyan, sir.
And si Ate
Ate Loida,
Loida.
Po. Good morning,
Okay.
po.
Good morning. Ikaw ang akadi ni
Sir Alvin po.
Alvin. Okay. Good luck sa atin. Kahit anong mangyari, nice shot ang sigaw kahit batok-tok. Okay. Ayan. So starting this round, number 2. So aim is for that light post. Layo pa pala ng 350. Ganda, beautiful. Good shot, Vin.
Right.
Nice shot, partner. Beauty. Hello, world.
Hi world! Good morning!
For interview lang daw. Okay, second shot. Left with 160 yards. Downwind. So hitting a 150 shot. Hit.
Sabi ko na baka makaabit ko. Ay. Save mo lang. Delikado.
Ay. Okay, landed left. Okay, buti lang safe yung bola. 30 yards to the flag. Lakas. Sobra.
Sir.
Okay, for birdie. Layo. Very long putt for birdie. 15 paces right to left. Happy na ako pag mag-2 putt dito. And Alvin. May firm din o wag na. +1 lang. May konti. Nice putt, Vin! Paakyat nga pala.
Opo.
Okay lang, may kabon na yun. Okay. Pops for birdie. Nice bird! Alam na this. Good birdie. No. Okay, for par, we're giving it a little over a cup firm.
Opo.
Okay, sayang. Bad. 3 putt kagad. Okay. I'm currently 1 over. Okay, hole number 3. 352 yards from the white tees. So this is
Ito, ano lang, di ba? Mga 300 yards?
330.
330.
So aim dun sa poste na silver. Kung nag-fade ka.
Oh. Yan. Okay lang po.
Nakakatawa. I was aiming for that post. Dito ako nagpunta. Open. Ganda, Vin. Carry. Ay, okay. Right before the bunker. Yung may-ari ng Golf Depot. Single handicap din. 9. Second shot. Right off the rough. Left with 73 yards to the flag. With the wind. So tirang mga kahit 60. Open yung club face ko sa bunker. No? That was very terrible approach. Second shot. 16 yards left to right. The bunker pa.
Nice out. Oop.
Okay, Alvin just off the green for birdie. Tapos si Pops for birdie to go 2 under sa round niya. Si Alvin to go 1 under. Ay, bumuka! Okay, Pops for birdie. Go! No, good par, brother. All right, hole number 4, 363 yards. So currently, I am 2 over. So system 36 naman. So important magkaroon ng birdie. Mabilis talaga sa orchard. So that's the challenge of being a golfer. Okay. Green pala is fairly straight lang siya. Dahil nasa white tee kami, medyo umiksi itong course na, butas na to. Haba na ito, di ba, na par 4?
Opo sir, doon pa po dapat.
Mag-aim lang natin yung stick na 150 marker, no?
Opo, gitna lang po. Oh, diretso. Nice shot. Nice shot po.
Ayan, so inside 150 na.
Wala na. Kayang-kaya mo na yan.
Hindi nga eh. Kanina, naka-open yung club face ko sa white. Diretso sa bunker. Okay, left. Fairway naman. Little right. Shoutout ka na kasi ayaw mo mag-shoutout kanina eh. Hilo kami magkakampi. Tapos yung uwi, yung may-ari ng Golf Depot. And a friend. Second shot left with 80 yards to the flag. Left to right. With the wind. Bye. Down.
Down. Nice shot.
Thank you. Nag-bite din, ano? Hindi,
Opo.
hindi gumulong pa kanan. Okay lang. At least putting for birdie. Okay, this is Pop's birdie chance. Birdie na naman! Good putt. Okay, Alvin, to go up and down for par. Malakas yata. Ang bilis. Sat! Okay, that is for his par. Okay, first birdie chance. Left to right, 5 paces. Mabilis pa? -1? O pwedeng regular lang?
Pwedeng regular lang sir.
Regular lang. Hindi ko na nahinay. Hindi sanay sa mabilis na green.
Yeah.
Malakas, mabilis. Okay, hole number 5, par 3. Still currently 2 over. Sayang yung birdie chance. Still not used to the speed of the greens. So kailangan mag-adjust sa akin nung fairway. Baliktad. Okay, so this one, playing the whiteys 150. Pero barilin natin kung may rangefinder. Parang it looks shorter against the wind. Okay, so hole number, ano to? 5, no? Playing 140 yards against the wind. So clubbing up para hindi in play yung bunker. Hopefully.
Ang ganda.
Ganda niyan.
Kick right, kick right.
Okay lang po.
Happy na.
Landed left of the green. Too much draw. Okay, go!
Go naman. Go! Go! Nasaan man yun?
Before.
Fairway.
Before the green, before the green.
Ganda ng timing niya, no?
Eh, club champion yan eh.
Oo nga.
Nice one, partner! Dancing on
Hatid-hatid lang.
Alvin to go up and down for his par. Just short of the green. Kami ni Pop, putting birdie. Pero ako mas malayo. 15 paces uphill. Left to right yung putt ko. Bite! Lakas lang. Masyado ko nabibaby. Feeling ko sobrang bilis.
Agal kasi dyan parang
Oo.
against the blue.
Pop for birdie. To go 2 under na yata to si Pops. Break. Set. Stop. Good putt. Mahina. Okay, for par. 4 paces left to right. Firm na.
Nice. Nice spot.
Alright, hole number 6, par 5. 389 yards. Medyo dumalitong, hopefully, dumalitong butas na to because nasa whiteys kami. So, mahirap yatang manalo ngayon dito because ang lapit ng whiteys. Pero, the goal is, for personal goal na lang, try to break 80. Kasi nga naman nasa whiteys naman. Tapos, currently, I am 2 over. Okay. So, against the wind naman, try to aim for pipinahan ko tong puno. Ganda yan. Huwag ka lang sumabit. Parang okay naman, ano?
Ganda niyan. Sige, kaliwa pa. Kaliwa pa. Oh, sir.
Against the wind, 180 yards. Normally, course management, pero bahala na. Try to go for it na lang with my 6 iron.
Opo.
Okay. Left, buti lang pala. Makapal yung damo. 46 yards. Tirang mga 40 left to right.
Ay, no. Hold it. Tama na. Ay, gumulong.
Nilakasan ko ng konti. Putting for birdie. Pops for birdie to go 2 under. Give it to her. Sayang. Good putt, good putt. Paki-mark. Good par. Okay, 6 paces for birdie, right to left.
Wow! Nice! Nice birdie!
Ganda ng roll. Mabilis lang. Alright, hole number 7 from the whiteys. Around 132 yards. Whew, finally, made the birdie. That was a good use of my mulligan dun sa hole na yon. Dapat pala iron lang talaga sa tee shot, hindi kailangan mag-wood. So, for hole number 7, ayan, ito yung itsura niya. Slightly against the wind. Tinatamay nga, no?
Opo.
Pero patok naman yun. Pero
Patong,
tinangay
sir.
pa kaliwa, eh, no?
Opo, tinangay pa rin, sir.
Dapat aim right. Pero wala. Okay. Ang ganda yung linya, tapos biglang tinangay to the left. Kaya hindi ko na videohan yung tee shot ni Pops. She almost made the hole in one. Tumama sa pin. Sayang. Ako naman, putting for birdie. Yan.
Ganda. Ganda! Ang ganda! Nice birdie! Nice! Ang galing ni sir. Ang galing po. Ang galing.
Ganda ng speed. Okay. Even pa. Ganda. Ay, bumali sa dulo, lumaylay. Alright, Pops. To go 2 under for the round. Nice birdie. Kinabahan ka pa ng pinakaba ka pa ng konti.
Mabilis
Pero downhill kasi.
Pag umiwas yun, lalayo pa yun.
True. What a good putt. Ganda ng putt na yan. Hole number 7. I'm now currently even par. So hole number 8, it's playing 303 yards from the white tees. So let's see course management. Okay, so before may water kasi ito before the green. So the aim is a little right of this mango tree. 220 before the water. Ay, Scoopy. Good shot, partner. Nice shot. Okay, Alvin second shot. Kanan. Okay, safe. Yan lang. Okay, left with 120 yards against the wind. Getting a 50-degree wedge. Right, subukan loft light na 50 degrees. Ganda ng linya sa simula eh. Tapos dadulok makakaliwa eh. Okay lang, sana ma-shoot namin. Okay, putting for birdie. Go! Go! Patong ba? Dikit ba, brother? Nice shot! Pops. To go up and down for birdie. Inside 100 yards. Go. Okay, that is for her birdie. Okay, Pops. For another birdie. To go 3 under for her round. Birdie! Grabe! Nice bird! Ganda ng speed pero mabagal na. Nice one, partner. 3 under? Okay, 10 paces.
Ay, bumali agad. Tama na. Opo. Nice par.
Okay, hole number 9. That was a good par. Buti na nahahabol pa yung pabalik. Pero fun hole. Most accurate, 319 yards. Dog leg, left it in pin. So the play is, syempre, gitna.
Turn. Baba.
Medyo towy. Right of the line and right of the fairway.
Wala kong tulog yan.
Galing. Fairway. Good shot, partner.
Nice shot!
Fairway, gitna. So ako naman, for my second shot, left with 160 yards, slightly against the wind, downhill. I'm aiming right dito sa middle. Yan, dito sa puno na yan. Magdodraw naman to ng konti. Okay, hitting 8 iron. Draw mo pa. Draw mo pa.
Okay.
Pero man ako naka-empty. Masaya na ako, patong.
Opo.
Okay, sana easy par. Hindi na ako yung kinakabahan. Okay, pating. Oo nga eh. Okay, middle of the green. Okay, Alvin. Mr. Long, Mr. Most Accurate. 145 yards per second shot. Okay yan, tawid yan. Good miss.
Just as planned.
Pops. To go up and down for her birdie. To go 4 under. Dikit pa rin nga.
Carry lang. Uy! Ang ganda pa ng bounce!
Nice one, partner.
Nice,
Okay, good.
nice!
Okay, Alvin. To go up and down for his par. Parang laki ng swing niya. Okay. Pops. For her par. Ang tingin mo kanan?
Kanan, sir.
Okay, Alvin for his par. Ang hina. Naalalayan mo, Vin. Ay!
Grabe naman! Partida, sir!
Alright, hole number 10. 332 yards to the flag. So it's dog leg left. Yan, and then yung green. So aim here. Ganda, Vin. Stop drawing. Laki lang ng turn. Fairway, brother. Good shot. Course management lang. Hitting 7 iron. Aiming for that 150 marker.
Masyadong kumaliwa. Safe naman po. Opo.
Okay, sobrang pull. Buti lang maluwag yung fairway. Yan, landed here. I was aiming here. Pulled it to there. Buti lang maluwag yung fairway. Okay, Pops, I think she's the leader. The club champion. Currently 2 under yata siya, gross. Good shot, partner! Okay. Pops laying up. Ayan, tinan mo ko.
Ang galing.
Galing, di ba?
Ganun
First
pala
line.
talaga yung laro.
Left with 145 yards against the fan. Hitting a 9 iron. Tapos si Alvin, and just in front of me. Siguro mga 120. To go up and down for his birdie. Angat, angat, angat. Meron pa! Start of the back na! 10th hole na tayo. Okay, hitting 9 iron. Aiming sa gitna ng poste at saka ng flag.
Ganda yan. Ganda yan. Wow! Nice!
Sumakto na rin yung drone natin.
Opo!
Okay, okay, sakto. Pating for bird ulit. Okay. Napatawa ka sa nasa yung beat ko, ha? Okay, Alvin taking his mulligan.
Sumakto din eh.
Sana ma-shoot naman yan.
Kaya nga sir.
Nice shot, Vin. Sobra. Okay, Alvin. Just from the outside. Lakas. Bite, 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 bite. Settle. Lakas lang. Pasok! Okay, Alvin for his for par. For par. Kaya ako maglinya. Pasok! Ooh. tama ka, pwede edge nga lang. Hindi, actually kinulang ko rin ng firm eh.
Nag-alangan ka kasi sir eh, no? Kung
Nag-alangan ako sa
ano,
firm.
opo.
Thank you. Ay! Okay, hole number 11. 283 yards from the white tees. So yan. So sakto to if my ball fades. So aim for that tee. That ano pala, light post. Tapos kung mag-fade. Huwag kang aabot sa bangko.
Kumulot.
Hindi mo siguro.
Oh,
Parang umabot.
parang umabot sir.
Ganda, perfect.
Nice shot.
So left with 34 yards to the flag on sa bunker. Go please!
Go!
Okay. Ninervous ako sa ang hina. Short lang. Buti na lang umabot sa green for birdie. Okay, pops for sandy bar.
Ay, hindi naman mabilis. Ginawa nating installment.
For birdie, left to right 10 paces. Regular enough, slightly firm.
Hindi na
Sa kaliwa. Mahina. Okay, hole number 12. Sayang na naman yung birdie putt. Ay nako. So hole number 12 is a par 3. Tignan natin kung ilang yards. First time ko lalaro itong 3 placement na to. Looks like it's a fun hole. It's playing 150 yards slightly against the fan. Ay! Kaliwa lang. Sayang. Solid contact. Huwag lang mag-bunker.
Turn. Naku! Tama na.
Bunker ano?
Hindi naman sir, parang nasa ibabaw po.
Kahit kapiranggot.
Kung kailan.
Diretsong diretso. I was aiming for that tree, yung bush na yan. Yan yung nasa gitna. Dumiretso. Sayang, pin high sana. Hindi nag-draw at all. So 13 yards to the flag. Pero dapat bagsak dito lang. Downhill.
Turn. Uy, ang bilis pa. Tama na. Uy.
Baka mashoot na natin yan. Okay. Paraball. Hopefully. Hopefully maka one putt ulit. For par. Ay! For par. Half ball sa left.
Par.
That was a good up and down. Still even par through 12 holes. Okay, come on. Alright, hole number 13. 320 yards. Still even par. I'm still happy with it. So ito, I've been thinking about this hole. Course management lang talaga. So that 150 marker, yung white and black na yan, is 160. So I'm hitting 7 iron lang para hopefully the water won't be in play and the OB.
Naku ka. Down. 4! 4!
Ano ka ba, Luigi? Ano ba yan? Ay, bumalik, tumama sa puno yun.
Opo.
Fairway.
Gumulong.
Ay, ano ba yun? Kabig na kabig.
Pero ang ganda ng gulong.
Course management na nga iniisip ko eh. Buti lang, swerte, thank you Lord. Bumalik sa fairway gitna. Tumama sa pader. Draw. Draw, please, draw. Ay, shoot. Ayun, ang pull din. Tama rin talaga. Very lucky. Buti tumama siguro sa pader or something. Hindi naman sa mga tao. Left with 135 yards. Downwind. Feeling ko kulang ang 50. Kaya I'm hitting a controlled 50, pitching wedge.
Oh my God. GR po.
Sama ng tama. Masyado kong kinunto. What a terrible second shot. Okay, pero okay lang. Left with 40 yards to go up and down potentially for par. Kaliwa ba to?
Opo, sir.
Ambot? Dapat regular na tira to. Ito GUI.
Opo.
Okay, this is to go up and down for bogey. 15 yards left to right.
Ay, ang lakas. Tama na.
Oo, nemesis hole ko talaga to.
Sayang.
Lagi talaga ako nagsasabog sa butas na to.
Matagal na walang pitch.
Target.
Okay, for bogey. What a terrible pitch. 14 yards. Right to left, ano?
Opo.
Pwede doon sa may shadow?
Pwede, sir. Opo. Uy, tama na. Tama na. Tama na.
Ganun talaga.
Yun o. Panis.
Well, that was a very terrible hole for me. Laging nemesis hole ko tong 13. Double bogey. Terrible double bogey. 447, 44 yards. Aim is left of this bunker. 220 yun eh. Pero with the wind naman.
Uy.
Nakakabig ko talaga ngayon.
Opo. Opo. Ka magtago.
Nakakabig ko. Naku. Stay, stay. 3 under. Good shot, partner.
Nice shot, nice shot.
Okay, left with 230 plus yards. This tree is in play, so I'm just trying to play smart. Course management, punch out mga 100 yards.
Okay lang po. Hop.
May bunker ba doon?
Wala po.
Ah, okay. Kala ko baka may bunker. Pero naalala ko wala namang bunker.
Wala lang po. Yung pinakaharap lang, sir.
Okay. Alright, come on. Bawel Wedge. Alright. Showing you guys again. Yan. Look at that. Thank you very much again. Golf Depot. If you're looking to customize your golf balls, para alam mong sayo. If you make a hole in one, you can also type the date there. You can request, diba? If you make an eagle, if you have any mga milestones sa golf, you can put it there as a gift, diba? To your, kasi yun, like me, I'm playing with this one na, with my Nice Shot logo. Thank you very much again, Golf Depot. If you want to connect with them, their contact number would be down below sa description. Okay, for my third shot, left with 137 yards to the flag, slightly against the wind, left to right. So I'm aiming for the pin, just in case hanginin siya. Hopefully that bunker in front won't be in play. I just need to hit this well, para talaga hindi in play yung bunker. Tuwi na naman.
Tumanan. Ano? Bumaba lang po.
Okay, went right. Kasi hindi na maganda yung mga palo hindi na crisp. Tapos na swerte namin. 16 yards left to right. Mabilis. Ay, nabitin.
Sayang.
Talaga gusto pabagsakin eh. Kulang lang sa tulit. No? Okay, come on Luigi. That's for bogey. Ay, for par. Galing naman. Pasok, birdie. Birdie! Ay! Good putt, partner. Alvin from the outside. Lakas. Hit the pin. Okay, this is for par. Left to right. 7 paces. Mabilis.
Lakas. Ubi.
Okay, hole number 15. Currently 3 over na ako. 300. Aim is for that 150 marker, 120 yards yan. So bababa lang mga palong 150 before the water.
Opo.
Thank you. Kulang lang ako sa hinge. Hindi ako nakakapit.
Op. Op. Tama na.
Draw. Four! Four! Third shot. Third shot. Second shot. Left with 115 yards to the flag. Slightly with the wind. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Kick right. Kick left.
Uy!
Okay, Chipinski. Right. Alvin. To go up and down for par. Okay, I have this chip for birdie, right to left 10 yards. Si Pop spotting for birdie na. Right to left downhill.
Kiki!
Nice spot, partner. That's good. Kala ko sobrang bilis. Masyado nung mahina. Okay, that's for par. Okay, Alvin and I putting for par. Go! Make it! Ay, bumali. Kulang. Sayang. Okay, hole number 16. Last 16, 17, 18, 1. Last 4 holes. Currently, I am 4 over. Come on, do this for Golf Depot. Again, thank you for my printed and customized golf balls. Yan, sana ito mahuli naman natin. So, si Pop. Ganda! Sobra lang.
Uy! Kaliwa. On. Pop.
Kulang lang talaga sa hitch. Okay. Left of the green. Come on, Luigi. Birdie. Draw! Bankrotts. Okay, Pops. For birdie from the outside. Hit the pin. Uphill 15 paces, left to right. Hopefully, 2 putt. I'm happy.
Bali.
Mahina lang. Okay na, happy tayo sa 2 putt.
Par po. Par.
Kahit mga yung ano na yun lang naman yung ano na mga single. Yung pin.
Pops for her par. Kuha! Nice putt, partner. Lupit talaga. Nice putt. Of course! Pasok.
Hindi mo lang na.
Okay, hole number 17. 318 yards. From the white tees, 318 yards. So, my play is, yan, aim normally for that 3. Yan, still yun pa rin naman yung aim. The 150 marker is 160 to the flag, from the tees. So, hopefully, course management lang inside 150 sa second shot.
Uy, naku. Before. Okay lang, sir, pero wait.
Ay, nako. So, may bunker sa right. Open naman yun. Ako, kabig. Nako, Delix. Left with 165 yards to the flag against the wind. Hitting a 7-iron.
Sayang. Nice. Nice on. Up.
One above my feet. Okay. Okay, Pops in for park. Galing, ang ganda ng chip. Sayang hindi ko na videohan. Sa atin papunta. Ah! Tago sa'yo. Sama ng ugali.
Ganda! Nice!
Alright, second to the last hole. Third birdie, currently 3 over, totals around 455 yards. Dog leg left. Ay, right pala, sorry, dog leg right.
Oh my God!
Luigi, ano ka ba?
Safe dun sa kanan, pero hindi yata makapalo.
Parang,
Drop na lang ako dun. Hindi, nagigil ako, nakaganon nun, naka-open. Yan, ay, stop drawing. Ba't ka nag-draw? For left? Okay, safe. Fairway sa left side. Okay. Third shot. Went to the water. 250 yards against the wind, hitting a 3-wood.
naku! Sayang. Uy, bunker. Up! Uy,
Gumaganon. Dito na naman. Ay, Luigi. Okay, course management mo na. Playing for 105 yards to that flag. To go up and down for par pa to. Okay, hitting a 56-degree wedge. Hopefully. Kahit dun ka na.
oh my God! Far!
Ay, right to left pala yun. Ay, nagkalat sa dulo. Choker. Okay, Pops for birdie. Grabe, nagkalat ako dun ah. Nice spot, partner. Good par. Okay, hole number 1, 357 yards. Sobrang mali yun, grabe. Sobrang mali na, sama ng palo ko ng dalawang 3-wood. Ay, nako, okay. Straight lang naman to, so just go over these bunkers. Okay, subukan ko. Course management, 6 iron. Hindi ko na mapalo yung mga woods.
Ganda! Nice shot.
But still, good shot, partner.
Sa mga lawyers, pare.
Okay, nice shot, brother. Okay lang. Dalawa lang ha? Tama na. Ocho na lang. Okay, 165 yards with the wind. Pero with the wind di ba?
Opo.
Sige. Ano ba yun? Ramdam kong pumapasok yung swing ko. Huwag kang babaw ka.
Saan pumasok?
Tama. Nakaganon no? Okay. Okay, bogey. Ay, bogey. Bunker. Okay, 26 yards left to right. To go up and down for par. Come on.
Hop! Tama na!
Bilis. Masaya ako sa binagsanan natin. Okay, Pops. For another birdie. For her 4th birdie. Uy, sayang! Sayang. Muntik na yung 100 ko pala kung tumaya ako. Lakas, Luigi.
Ay, yun na.
Okay lang pala.
Pero maganda yung style. Sa
80? Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Chris. Okay, Ate Lloydia, thank you. Thank you. Partner, thank you.
Partner,
Congratulations in advance. Hindi. Congratulations.
Wawa, ano meron?
Alam na. Thank you, ate. Congrats. Alam nyo na yan. Thank you, Madu. Partner, brother.
Ay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our top
Hello,
lady
world.
golfer. First score of 75.
Ayun na nga, ikaw na.
Top lady golfer is Miss
Sino pa?
Christine Pak.
Woo! Saan, partner? Nice shot.